Hi everyone, my name is Bhavya Agarwal and I have recently qualified UGC NET examination in subject education with percentile 99.98, and for this paper of mine I utilized the course of Pallavi ma'am from Pallavi Pathshala, and I must say that the course is very well structured in a manner that one is able to cover the conceptual as well as factual facts and knowledge from each and every unit. Her support system is amazing. Whenever I messaged her, she was there for me. She cleared my doubts, and even if there was any kind of confusion, she then and there helped me with it. So her support system is amazing, and not just this, she regularly motivates each and everyone. And one thing I really liked about the course is that each and every unit is covered in such a manner that none of the questions feel alienated when we face the actual examination. So the depth is really nice. So my strategy for this UGC NET examination was to focus on both the papers equally, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 has been a game changer for me. I got 41 questions out of 50 correct, so it was completely a game changer for me. And if I have to talk more about my strategy, so what I did was, like, I made notes. I made comprehensive notes, detailed notes of each and every unit. I made sure that whatever sources I want to use, I use them in making my notes, so that I do not miss on any point. Even on minuscule points, I made sure that each and everything was written in my notes. And then my focus was on revisions. Revision is the key, and I used various memory techniques and study skills technique, because I myself is a memory trainer and study skills coach. So yes, this UGC NET examination is a journey in itself, and sometimes we feel demotivated, but I just want you all to remember that it is a journey in which you have to uh, improve yourself from the previous day. It is not just about competing with others, it is about competing with your own self. So if someone is preparing for UGC NET, you have to prepare for it holistically, because this UGC NET examination is going to land you in such a field which is of academia, in which your holistic personality has to be enhanced. So yes, this was my whole strategy, and I wish you all all the very best for your UGC NET journey. And here I am attaching some pictures of my notes, and I'll be talking about this process of whole note making. So note making plays a very important role in cracking this exams. As you all can see that I made sure that the notes are very suffice in nature. They are very concise in nature, because that's why they are called as notes. And I made sure that whatever I find that something is extra in that topic, I made sure to write it with another color pen, and I made sure to highlight the important concepts or the key points. That is how I made my notes. You all all the very best for your UGC NET journey, and thank